Well, you can join us when you're ready.
Lost umbrella.
For Jane. How many times this month am I gonna have to send this back to Jane?
Well, that's why we're here. Hello? Who's there? Excuse me, you'll have to use the front entrance with this window.
Hey, toots! I knew I smelled the muskrat.
Thank you for visiting me. You have to keep your eyes peeled for any creature that might be in search of it. And if they are, they may have been searching for many, many years. You must direct them to me at Lupinder's tent, where lost things come to be found.